Hey everybody, it's Mark Stuart with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties in La Jolla and freestandingasearch.com, and I'm here to provide your fourth quarter real estate update for La Jolla, California. First of all, let's go take a look over here at the median list price in La Jolla. Is just under $3 million. That's a significant uptrend. It continues to be an uptrend over the last couple years. See that that's been moving up here. The asking price per square foot has been staying the same in the last couple of weeks, but that's just because some larger properties have been coming on the market. And then average days on market is 139 days. However, that's very quartile specific, and we'll talk about that just a little bit later. You see that the market action index continues to increase, and we're now have moved into really a normalized market. So let's go down and talk a little bit more about that on the supply and demand side. While it's saying here in this report that home sales have been exceeding new inventory for several weeks, what that's saying is that there's just less and less for sale, and that's been driving prices up. And you can see here in the market action index how we've been moving up above the trend line here throughout the summer. And then if you come down here to the pricing, you'll see we've had a very strong price increase starting back in January of 2012. Had a real strong increase through the summer of 2013, and it has tapered off here now as we've entered into fall. And that would be more of a normalized seasonal type of a tracking, especially now that we're in a normalized market. And I might want to add this one little piece. We're only in a normalized market about 2 out of every 10 years, so it's kind of nice to see that happening. Let's talk about those quartiles and what's really moving. You'll see in this entry-level quartile down here that there's a lot more new on the market, a lot more activity happening here just in the last week. And then as you move up into the more expensive homes, 7-8 million plus range, that there is much fewer on the market and obviously less activity and less buyers. So if you're looking at La Jolla real estate right now, what does that mean for you if you're a buyer? Well, buyers, I think this is one of the most interesting times of years for them to be looking. While there aren't as many homes in the market over the holiday season, the people that do have their homes on the market really want to sell. Plus those tax payments are due now in November and again back in February. And so you've got those property tax payments due, and that's another hit that these sellers are going to be taking. If you're a seller, I think you need to look at what quartile you're in and how your home is positioned against other markets before coming on the market this time of year. I'm happy to take a look at that for you. If you have any questions about real estate in your particular neighborhood in La Jolla, you can give us a call at 858-454-8519 or visit us online at freestandingasearch.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.